Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix API integration with Twilio, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a Twilio account set up. Log in to your Twilio dashboard. Locate your account SID and auth token in the console. These credentials are essential for your API integration. Next, install the Twilio library in your development environment. If you're using Python, run the command pip install Twilio. For Node.js, run npm install Twilio in your terminal. Create a new file in your project directory for the integration script. Import the Twilio library at the beginning of your script. Use your account SID and auth token to initialize the Twilio client. Next, begin by configuring your API endpoint. Make sure your server is set up to handle incoming requests. In your API, create a function to handle sending messages. Utilize the Twilio client's messaging service to send SMS. Input the recipient's phone number and your message body. Ensure you include error handling for the API requests. Log any errors to help with troubleshooting. Test your integration by sending a sample message. Check the Twilio dashboard for message delivery status. If messages fail to send, verify your credentials. Make sure your Twilio phone number is properly configured. Consider checking any network issues or service limitations. Review the Twilio documentation for additional troubleshooting tips. Once everything is working, clean up your code for readability. Document your process to help future developers understand your integration. Finally, deploy your changes to the production environment. Confirm that the API integration works seamlessly in live scenarios. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.